Hello, Trumpet people. We are on to number 23. It's called Skill Builder, but the actual name of the tune is called Merrily We Roll Along. And you might know this by a different name because it's the same melody as the song Mary Had a Little Lamb, so you could probably sing either set of words and somebody would recognize it. We have two new symbols to talk about here. The very second thing on your staff after the clef sign is a capital letter C. And that C stands for common time. If you look up in the blue box at the top of your page, it shows you what the common time equals. And there are so many songs in the history of our music that are written in 4/4 time that it is the most common time signature. And they write that C instead of writing the 2 4s. And the reason that they do that, I think, is that if you look at the 2 4s from song 22, it takes a lot of ink and it's got multiple different parts to it. And if you were one of the engravers or if you were handwriting music back a couple hundred years ago, it would take more time to draw those 2 ornate 4s than it would to draw 1 C. And it would use a whole lot less ink when ink was expensive, or more expensive than it is now. So a lot of things we do in music were efforts to not have to write out so much or use so much material in the production of the sheet music for the players. So another symbol that we have at the end of the line are 2 additional dots on either side of line 3 right before the double bar line. That is a repeat sign. That means that we're going to play the whole song twice, and that is another ink and time saving measure. If you need to play 8 measures twice, instead of writing the whole thing out a second time, you just throw 2 little dots on there and it does the same job. So the rest of the songs on this page are all repeated, and I will play them that way when I play the examples so that you get the chance to practice it twice through, which means the rests at the end of the line for this one and the next one are actually important to count and think through, because there is no time between the end of that rest and going back and playing the first note on the repeat. So you've got to train your eyes to zip back over there and get that first note. All right, here we go. We are on number 23. Here is our slow tempo, and I will play it through twice for you. 1, 2, ready. And I will kick it up to the medium speed. And now the faster speed. 1, 2, 3.